Hey guys, so if you're wondering why I'm making this video, let's say I ran out of ideas to make Lego trains. Unless you want to see more LAL trains, which you probably don't because that's not a real company for trains. Sorry, I just got home from school, so yeah. But I am gonna recreate some realistic trains, and I'm thinking of doing the 20th Century Limited because at this time I've found almost unlimited storage worth of gray. So I'm thinking of doing the 20th Century Limited. So yeah, I'm also thinking of maybe of creating let's see, what else can I create, because I've almost created every single thing, but what else can I create? I'm thinking of creating a Great Northern. So yeah. So hopefully I'll create those trains in the future. So yeah. I want to give you some details on what I am doing right now. I am planning to do on Wednesday this week, which is probably a very special thing because we haven't done this in quite a while. I'm thinking of doing an episode of Sinking Ship Simulator. So episode 3 should be coming your way, and let's see. I am also thinking on doing the day at work on Friday, so you'll get that. Yeah. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.